You don't need a fancy degree or thousands of dollars in tuition to become a programmer anymore. In fact, the internet is filled with high-quality, free resources that are just as good, sometimes even better than a computer science degree. Whether you want to build websites, develop apps, break into data science, or land a remote developer job, there's a completely free way to get started, and I'm going to show you exactly where to go. Today, we're diving into the top websites and YouTube channels where you can learn programming without spending a single dollar. These platforms have helped millions go from total beginner to job-ready coder. No fluff, no scams, just the best free resources that actually work. Let's get right into it. Why free coding education is better than ever. Before we explore the actual platforms, here's something you need to understand. The game has changed. 20 years ago, if you wanted to become a software developer, your path likely involved a college degree, student loans, and years of structured coursework. But today, that's no longer the case. Open source communities, free educational platforms, and passionate developers have completely transformed how people learn to code. Anyone with internet access and the right mindset can start learning today. And employers, they care way more about what you can build than where you studied. If you can code, you can work. It's that simple. So now let's look at the best free platforms, both websites and YouTube channels, that can get you there. Free Code Camp, your all-in-one coding university. Let's start with a name you'll hear again and again in the coding world, Free Code Camp. This nonprofit organization has built a reputation as one of the best places on the internet to learn web development, data structures, algorithms, machine learning, and more, all for free. Their interactive curriculum takes you step by step through coding problems, projects, and certifications. And it's hands-on. You're not just watching videos, you're coding in your browser from the very first lesson. They cover everything from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to Python, SQL, APIs, and even data science with TensorFlow. What makes Free Code Camp truly stand out is its focus on building real projects. Each certification requires you to complete several projects that you can add to your portfolio, and that's gold when you're job hunting. Also, their YouTube channel is incredible. It's packed with full courses, some 8, 10, even 12 hours long on every major tech topic imaginable. And yes, it's 100% free. If you had to pick just one platform to learn coding from scratch for free, Free Code Camp would be it. The Odin Project. Full stack mastery, open source style. Next up is the Odin Project. It's another completely free open source platform that focuses on full stack web development. Their strength lies in how they structure their curriculum. It's not just random tutorials, it's a carefully crafted learning path that simulates what you'd experience in a software bootcamp. You'll start with foundational web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and move on to more advanced topics like Node.js, MongoDB, Express, React, and Git. The Odin Project is extremely community-driven. They encourage learners to build real-world projects and collaborate with other students via Discord and GitHub. So if you're someone who learns best with structure, accountability, and a touch of real-world coding, this is a goldmine. Best part? It's all built by developers for developers with zero cost attached. CS50, Harvard-level computer science for free. Ever wanted to study at Harvard? Thanks to the internet, you can. CS50, Harvard's legendary Introduction to Computer Science course, is available to anyone, anywhere, completely for free. It's taught by Professor David Malin, who's known for making computer science exciting, even for total beginners. The course covers everything from C and memory management to Python, web development, algorithms, and data structures. What makes CS50 so powerful isn't just the prestige, it's how it builds your mindset. It teaches you how to think like a computer scientist. It's rigorous, but accessible. And once you finish it, you'll have a deep understanding of how programming actually works under the hood. You can take CS50 through EDX or just follow the entire course, including lectures, problem sets, and projects on YouTube. If you're serious about learning how to code and want a real academic challenge, CS50 is a game changer. Programiz, for Python lovers and visual learners. If you're looking to master Python, the world's most beginner-friendly language, Programiz is a fantastic starting point. Their website is incredibly clean, and their lessons break down complex programming concepts into simple visual explanations. Think of it like a coding textbook that actually makes sense. They also have interactive Python compilers directly on their site, so you can practice as you learn, no setup required. Whether you're diving into loops, functions, or object-oriented programming, Programiz makes it feel less intimidating. While they focus primarily on Python, they've also expanded to include C, C++, Java, and data structures. Great for absolute beginners who want clarity without jargon. W3 Schools, the classic that still delivers. You've probably stumbled across W3 Schools if you've ever Googled anything like how to center a div. It's been around for years, and while it might not be as flashy as newer platforms, it's still one of the most beginner-friendly places to get a grip on web development basics. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, W3 Schools offers simple, example-driven lessons with built-in coding sandboxes so you can tweak and run code on the fly. It's great for quick learning and brushing up on concepts. Think of it like a free reference book with built-in practice. YouTube channels that teach code like pros. Let's switch gears and talk about some YouTube channels that are absolutely crushing it when it comes to free, high-quality programming education. First, we already mentioned Free Code Camp, which has the largest collection of full-length programming tutorials on the planet. But they're not alone. Traversy Media, run by Brad Traversy, is a must-subscribe. His crash courses on everything from JavaScript and React to Git and APIs are clear, concise, and practical. You don't just learn theory, you build things. The Net Ninja is another amazing channel. His tutorials are clean, fast-paced, and cover frameworks like Vue, React, Firebase, Node.js, and more. If you want to level up your front-end or back-end skills, this is the place. Fireship, hosted by Jeff Delaney, is perfect for those who love fast, high-quality overviews of complex tech topics. Ever wanted to learn Docker, GraphQL, or WebSockets in 100 seconds? He makes it happen with style. Tech with Tim is ideal for Python developers. He covers beginner topics, but also dives into intermediate and advanced stuff like machine learning, game development, and building Discord bots. All of these creators make professional-level content and offer it for free. No paywalls, no clickbait. How to choose the right platform for you. Here's the truth. There's no single best place to learn to code. The right platform for you depends on a few things. Are you a complete beginner? Start with Free Code Camp or the Odin Project. Want a structured course like a university class? Try CS50. Visual learner or love YouTube? Hit up Net Ninja or Traversy Media. Focused on Python, Programiz, or tech with Tim. Need quick answers while building something? W3 Schools. The beauty of free education is that you can try them all, mix and match, build your own curriculum. If you get stuck or bored on one, switch it up. Just keep coding. Consistency beats everything else. The key to success isn't just where you learn, it's how you learn. Here's something that trips up a lot of beginners. They collect resources but never actually build anything. You can watch tutorials all day, but if you're not writing code, solving problems, and making projects, you won't get very far. Start building as soon as possible. Create your own website. Clone a simple app. Solve problems on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode. Learning to code isn't a spectator sport. It's messy. It's frustrating. But it's also unbelievably rewarding. And the best part, you now know exactly where to get started for free. So there you have it, your complete guide to the best free websites and YouTube channels to learn programming. No tuition, no gatekeeping, just real knowledge from people who've been there. Whether you're building your first website, prepping for your first dev job, or just curious about how software works, your journey starts now. And the best part, you don't need permission to begin. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Got a favorite coding resource I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to check it out. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to go broke to break into tech. You just need Wi-Fi, curiosity, and a little discipline. See you in the next one, and happy coding.